Okay, we're ready for what I call the big glue up. I've got the back section all glued up, front leg section all glued up. I'm just bringing them together via the seat rails here, side seat rails, and these lower stretchers. This is all dry fit right now. I want to explain to you my clamping system, but I don't want to do it while I am in the midst of a glue up. Then I'll have to do a lot of bleeping and stuff if I start cursing and things go foul. And we don't want to have to do that. It causes me more editing. So you can see I've got these clamping calls here, and I've got, this is a purple line. Well, there's a red line out here. You probably can't see, but the red line out here lines up with the edge of the leg. That helps me center this call on the workpiece, on what's being glued up. The purple line is where the clamps go. I have the same set of lines back here, same set of lines on these lower calls as well. And this whole thing here is a square. So if you were to put a, if you were to measure this way and this way, it's the same measurement. If you can see here, these edges are beveled at a 45. So if I'm out of whack this way, if this thing's not an equilibrium, I can put a clamp on there, and being at the 45, that clamp's not going to pop off. And it's real easy to get my story stick in there, get a reading, mark it, and if it's off a little bit, I can either pull it in from this way or put it over this way and pull it in. Really easy. So, and down here, these pieces fit under that stretcher. That sets the height of that. There's just a little bit of adjustment here so I can get it equal. This guy, spacer, goes in there, and that spaces these side seat rails. So let's go ahead and glue this guy up. I'm not going to talk much, if at all, during the glue up. So let's do it. Okay, nice tight joints. Let's see if we've got equilibrium. Oop, I need a pencil. Okay. Okay, it's got to come back this way just a little bit. Okay, let's give that another shot. Just loosen up the hair. I think we're there. Let's do one more marking and make sure. We are there. Okay. Successful glue up, no cursing. I call that good.